So sorry for the music in the background. This is my Grumman AA1B with the STC 160 horsepower engine. So a little bit more oomph for those hot days. It is currently for sale. And I'm going to show you a little video tour of this airplane. Nice colors. The paint is in okay condition. It's not new paint. There's some areas where the I guess the wax on it has come apart. So probably needs some TLC or just fly it the way it is. It flies fine. Has a Bruce cover, sliding canopy of course, typical of the Grummans, which you can leave partially open during flight. As you can see here, the leather seats are in pretty good shape. Nothing special on the floor, it's just aluminum flooring. And here's the panel. So this is a pretty unique Grumman. It has a one-axis autopilot, so a wing leveler basically. And it is hooked up. And you have two G5s. So we've removed the vacuum system. It's IFR certified, of course. And in the middle, we have the, zoom in there, we have the audio panel, a Garmin 430, Non Waas, and a Bendix King radio, and a 335 ADS-B Alt transponder. So a pretty neat setup. If you're interested, let me know.